Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, since I have started posting my daily analysis in 50 pips, we have taken TPs in continuous for almost 2 weeks. And this continuous win win situation since 2 weeks may lead us to go overconfident and may set our minds for not accepting any losses. This is the point where traders start losing money and most of the time blow up their accounts. Therefore, today I'm going to take a rest and may not trade or even look at the screen for the whole day. Secondly, trend is also bending, and remember, trend is your friend unless it bends. So better keep away and leave few pips rather to lose many. My advice to you all to take a break for today. If you are still willing to find an entry, then look for 1903 and 1906 for a sell, and 1885-87 is a good area for a buy. So good luck and take care.